We have recorded 68 deceased in Kerr County. Among those who are deceased, we have 40 adults and 28 children. 18 adults are pending identification, and 10 children are also pending identification.
Catastrophic flooding in the town of Kerrville, Texas, has claimed at least 68 lives, and there are also at least 11 still unaccounted for in Camp Mystic. The flooding along the Guadalupe River has left at least 82 people dead in all of central Texas, with dozens still missing. Now, among the missing, young girls from Camp Mystic who were swept away by the rushing waters. 10 girls from that camp remain missing as more than 1,300 personnel work around the clock in what officials are calling one of the deadliest flood disasters in Texas history. NBC's Ryan Chandler has the latest.
Rising water threatening the Texas Hill Country tonight as so many are still missing along the Guadalupe. Families yearn for answers more than 60 hours after catastrophic flooding devastated this area Friday. At least 79 people are reported dead across central Texas, most of the deaths along this river. Officials say 68 people are dead in Kerr County alone, among them 28 children. Some young girls at Camp Mystic washed away.
It was nothing short of horrific to see what those young children went through.
10 girls and a counselor are still missing.
Is the priority rescue at this point or recovery?
So obviously, we're going to do our best to try to rescue anybody that's still out there and needing a rescue.
We joined the Coast Guard as they searched from the sky, 1,000 feet above the river.
From up here, you can see the swollen riverbanks for miles. The U.S. Coast Guard is scanning this entire area for heat signatures that may lead to rescues or recoveries.
But after they told me on this flight, they did not spot any signs of life.
We're desperate at this point.
Allison Edwards rushed here from Austin to find her father, Steve, who she says was swept away while saving her mother from their RV.
What keeps you holding on to hope that you'll find your dad?
Our dad's a fighter. He's always been a fighter, and I know he has a strong will, and he'd do everything he could to get back to us.
The National Weather Service giving its timeline of when it alerted people to potential flooding. It says Kerrville was alerted early Thursday. A flash flood warning tagged as considerable came in at 1:14 Friday morning. They say that tag automatically triggers cell phone alerts. And the White House tonight saying the National Weather Service did their job.
Oh my God!
This new video showing the moment Rita Olson and her family realized the floodwaters were approaching.
Let's get everybody out!
A first responder coming to her house, urging them to evacuate. Some places seeing more than 20 inches of rain in the last 3 days.
I've seen it flood, but I've never seen it come up this high.
This video taken from a bridge in Kerr County Friday shows just how fast the river rose. You can see a wave of water rush in, and in little more than half an hour, all this debris piling up. And then in the distance, a house crashing here, high above what had just been a creek.
This is the worst I've seen it.
Tonight, for all those who call Central Texas home, desperation grows as each hour passes.